One thing they don't tell you when you start a business. You can't work on the business when you're constantly working in the business, meaning marketing is nearly impossible to manage all yourself. In order to get in front of new customers, you must maintain online presence properly. You need a team like First Flight, a dedicated agency that specializes in amplifying online visibility in order to capture more opportunities to scale your business. The fact of the matter is that people can't find you online if you're not posting everywhere every day. Experts know this very well. You manage the business operations. First Flight will manage all the marketing. Put your sales process on autopilot. Daily social media posts, custom-built sales funnels, Google and Facebook ad management, SEO, automated 5-star reviews, and AI tools that will handle communication for you. Take the next step in scaling your business. Simply DM us with the words, "Take off." We'll send you our 28-page Marketing Mastery Booklet filled with tips and strategies to promote your business.